It's such a
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern McKean County in north-central Pennsylvania, northeastern Warren County in north-central Pennsylvania, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Warren, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Warren, Bradford, Allegheny State Park, Russell, Scandia, Warren South, Kingsville Dam, Chapman State Park, Starbrick, Clarendon, and University of Pittsburgh, Bradford.
Ready for the judgment.
Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sheffield, Enterprise, Ludlow, Chapman State Park, Tidiet, and Clarendon.
Number of you a sound could.
To report severe weather, Enforcement Agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in State College, Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Warren, Pennsylvania.
National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the Pennsylvania counties of the storm. At the temperature 5:30 p.m. National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for 5 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour designations. Seek shelter inside a round-built structure and stay away from windows. The storms are capable of producing damaging winds